Hey guys, Wistex Vlogs here. So, this is going to be the start of a new series coming to my channel. I'm actually going to start doing what this channel was meant for. And that is build logs. So I don't know what I'm going to title this video yet. But I am building a first of what I've found on YouTube. I'm building the first of it. And building the first of anything is challenging, but I feel as though I can do it. I've done my research. I feel as though I can do this. I'm building a street legal Predator motor swapped full-blown motorcycle. Do y'all remember that motorcycle I bought last year when I sold my first typeset? Yeah. Had a lot of time to go through it. Or through that bike. And I've determined that the motor in it is shot. It runs off of starting fluid. It has a fuel float problem. The carburetors are shot. Brand new carburetors are $800. I'm not doing that. I don't really want to drop $800 on a set of carbs, plus have to fix everything else on the bike. I only paid $400 for the bike. So, earlier this week, I got this crazy idea that I'm going to go out and I'm going to buy a 212cc Predator engine from Harbor Freight, which I already have, by the way. I did buy it. And I'm going to swap it into my motorcycle. And over time, going to put everything on it in order to make it street legal. Right now, it is currently, for me, anyways, for you guys it might be whenever, I don't know. But for me, right now, it is Thursday night. This coming Saturday, I'm going to start tearing down my motorcycle, which I will get on video. I'm hoping to be able to do a time lapse on that. If it doesn't work, I will have alternate footage that I can put together and kind of show you guys, the before and after. But I'm hoping to get a time lapse of it. I'm bringing my cousin Mike into it, and he's going to help me, tear it down so we can get it done in one day. Pulling the motor, going through the wiring system, pulling everything we don't need off that bike. Because this bike needs to be as light as possible for me to do what I want to do. It's a single cylinder, so it's a one cylinder, 212cc Predator engine from Harbor Freight. Costs you about $120. You can get them for about $100 on sale, but whatever. Yeah, and I've been scrolling through YouTube, and there's a few street legal mini bikes, apparently, with Predator engines in it. There's a couple of dirt bikes that have been swapped. There's a couple of choppers that I don't think are street legal, but they pop up when you type in street legal Predator engine swap. Yeah. So I'm hoping to get this bike to do at least 85, so that way I can cruise at highway speeds. I don't really need to go much faster than that. Yeah. So I'm hoping by next summer to have everything done. And then next summer I will title and register the bike, because it's still not titled in my name. But that's fine, that's fine. The title's clean. I just gotta register it. Fine. And then start riding. I'm gonna go on a couple of trips. So I will see you guys on Saturday. I'll be putting out another video Saturday night. Hopefully I can edit it in time. If I do end up doing the time lapse, if not, I'll just upload the footage that I got. So I'm back.